Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can do echo in Parler app. So if you don't know what echo means in Parler app, so simply is super similar with Twitter retweets. So basically you can echo other person content and it will show up basically on your profile, all right? And simply what you need to do here, if you want to echo in Parler app, go on the Parler app and then you need to find a post that you want to echo. So I will go on search, that is on the bottom right, and then I will find the person. So for example, let's go with on the Ted Cruz, and then we need to find, for example, post, right? So for example, this one, and on the bottom of the post in the middle, as you can see here, a little microphone button with 11k shares or echoes. You need to press on that, and then as you can see here, you can have two options. So you can echo with the comment, so with this person basically comment, or simply you can echo the video. So I will echo with the comment, and I can now basically add some comments of my own. So for example, great, and press submit, right? And if I go on my profile, as you can see here, it echoed with my comment, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.